In this guide, you'll learn how to fix screen flickering on Windows 11. Let's get started. Start with the basic checks by making sure your monitor cable is properly connected to your PC, and if possible, try using a different cable to rule out any hardware issues. Next, adjust the screen refresh rate by clicking right on the desktop. Now, select the option Display Settings. Scroll down and head over to the option Advanced Display, then choose a stable refresh rate that our monitor supports. If the flickering continues, reset the graphics driver by pressing Windows plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B, which will refresh the display driver instantly. Another effective method is to switch to a compatible graphics driver. Launch Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card, select Update Driver, choose Browse from my computer for drivers, then let me pick from a list of available drivers, selecting a compatible driver and clicking Next. These steps should help fix screen flickering issues on Windows 11. Now lastly, check for Windows Update. If there are any updates available, just update it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.